If you're having a hard time to place your crystal and your crystal art is going to be like coming off in like couple days or like a next day really fast, this bestie will definitely going to back you up. All right, how's everyone doing on Tuesday? We have been busy working non-stop and no web top coat. We're getting ready for classes for our official grand opening. We are gonna be having official grand opening is coming up on the 14th, which is next Sunday, not this Sunday but next coming Sunday. And if you are happen in town, we would love to see you. I love about this, you see that how 3D handcrafted flowers, beside you enjoying and sculpting your own flowers from a 4D gel, but this one is like it just curve naturally, is like right with your nails, perfect with the C curve. And then I'm gonna add just that one on. So I did is add on, I love this perfect shot, which is that I add perfect shot on the rings finger. I did use the green colors, and on this 14 fingers I use perfect shot in rose gold, Insta-Pack rose gold. I'm gonna add some beads on, and after you finish with the beads on, you can absolutely cure. If you're happy, we are going to cure for 60 seconds. Continue to add the beads on as you prefer. Alright, I'm gonna turn really quick to make sure that I got it the right and like perfect in the center. Don't worry about the crystal because I have the fingerprints on it, but I will wipe it off later. All right, so cure for 60 seconds, but if you are doing another one, saying 30 seconds is good. How easy.